how to download WhatsApp in laptop. So open your browser and type here download WhatsApp for PC and click on the first link whatsapp.com/download. And to download WhatsApp for your computer, you have to click on this Windows option. You have to click on get it from Microsoft Store. Click on open Microsoft Store. And click on install, and the WhatsApp app will be installed on your laptop. After that, you will be able to log in into your WhatsApp account and you will be able to use WhatsApp account from your computer. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.